Hello, friends, and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about Unlock Success, 5 powerful goal-setting tips for the workplace. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Now, let's get started. Effective goal setting is crucial for achieving workplace success. Implement these 5 tips to set and achieve impactful goals that drive career growth and productivity. 1. Set SMART goals. Use the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound to define clear and actionable goals. This framework ensures that your objectives are well-defined and trackable, increasing your chances of success. 2. Align goals with company objectives. Ensure your personal goals align with your organization's mission and objectives. This alignment demonstrates your commitment to the company's success and makes your goals more relevant and impactful. 3. Break goals into manageable steps. Divide larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks. This approach makes complex goals less overwhelming and helps you track progress more easily. Celebrate small milestones to stay motivated. 4. Create a detailed action plan. Develop a comprehensive action plan outlining the steps needed to achieve your goals. Include deadlines and resources required for each step. A detailed plan keeps you organized and focused. 5. Regularly review and adjust goals. Schedule regular reviews of your goals to assess progress and make adjustments as needed. Flexibility allows you to adapt to changing circumstances and stay on track toward achieving your objectives. Conclusion: by applying these tips, you can effectively set and achieve goals that drive your success in the workplace. I hope that you liked the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.